here I just want to show the assembly process for this fixture top. Here's one that's already assembled, and you can see obviously it's still in the packaging, but I'm going to go ahead and assemble this side as well. What you do is there's actually a fixture mount top piece that comes separately. In fact, it comes in a separate cardboard box, right? And that will, you'll take the wires, and they need to be, that comes with 4 wire nuts, and those need to be fastened down here to the wires that are coming up in cap position. And there's going to be 3 set screws for the purposes of just showing you how this mounts. We're not going to complete this because we're going to unpackage it, but the set screws, they go in the exterior holes. They're all on 3 sides. There's multiple holes in there, but they need to go in the exterior holes. All right, and there's an Allen wrench here. You can tighten this down. And once those are tightened down, then you'll take this globe over here on this side. And you see here on the base, there's just 3 indentions, and those 3 indentions are what will lock the globe in place once it's sat down. Just turn it as half a turn, and you're set.